Today I passed you on the street, and my heart fell at your feet. I can't help it if I'm still in love with you. Somebody else walked by your side, and he looked so satisfied. I can't help it if I'm still in love with you. A picture from the past came slowly stealing as I brushed your arm, walked so close to you. Suddenly I got that old time feeling. I can't help it if I'm still in love with you. It's hard to know another's lips will kiss you and hold you close the way I used to do. Heaven only knows how much I miss you. I can't help it if I'm still in love with you. Hard to know another's lips will kiss you and hold you close the way I used to do. Heaven only knows how much I miss you. I can't help it if I'm still in love with you. No, I can't help it if I'm still in love with you.
That's country right there. I don't care what you say. Tonight we got Cody Bryan. Bob Gotha was gonna come up, and then something happened, and he's okay, but he couldn't make it. He had something else come up. So, but I did call Cody last night. Said, Cody, Gary's gonna be gone, and can you help me out? And of course, he said, I'm there. So, Cody, I want to thank you for coming up. Did you get that phone call all straight?
I got it straight.
Okay.
And you had to bring up that gambling debt in Vegas, too. And I said, well, okay, I guess I'll come on
So
out.
what have you been doing? You haven't been coming to the Commons Country Corner too much lately.
I'm here during the week. I sell cars now.
Sell Toyotas,
Yeah,
Bob
I sell
Schmidt
cars,
Toyota.
yeah.
Well, that's where we are.
No better dealership to sell for or buy from.
That's right. And you actually bought a car here a few years ago.
Right over there.
Right over there, man.
Over there.
Paul,
Yes, Carmen.
couple of things. How's the family and all that?
Family is good.
Okay, now, last week we didn't mention your good friend from IC Hawks in L.A.,
Paul Lax.
Paul Axe, whom I never had the pleasure of meeting. I saw him play a whole bunch of times on YouTube, and I loved what he did, and I was excited about getting some of you guys
Yeah.
up here, and unfortunately,
We never worked it out.
we never
didn't
got
work
that
out.
done. But even though I don't know him, you know, I love what he did.
Yeah.
And to his family, of course,
Yeah.
my prayers go out. And
Thank you, Carmen.
so that's it.
Yeah.
So you guys are going to regroup and
We're gonna-
move forward
We're
somehow.
going to do what we can, but we'll do it thinking of Paul the whole
Boy,
time.
I'm telling you, and that's going to be a big spot to fill.
That's right,
That's
that's
going to be a
right.
lot because he did a lot for the band, didn't he?
He was a
Songwriting.
founding member of Icy Hawks in
Oh,
L.A.
well,
and,
there you see.
and he wrote, you know, a majority of the songs
Yeah.
and sang and played guitar and produced.
Well, like I said, God bless you, Paul. Sorry I never got to know you, but I certainly heard your music, and it was great. And to his family, God bless you guys, and good luck to all of you.
Thank you, Carmen.
Okay, Paul, want to do another one?
Oh, yeah, let's do another
Then
one.
we'll get Cody going here in a minute.
Let's do Bye Bye Johnny
Oh, great song.
in A.
Right? Does you tag it with the one and go right to the five?
Yeah, I like that.
I think I can do that.
Well, she drew out all her money from the Southern Trust to put her little boy on a Greyhound bus, leaving Louisiana for the Golden West. Down came the tears from her happiness. Her own little son named Johnny B. Good, gonna make a motion picture out in Hollywood. Bye bye, bye bye bye, bye bye. Bye-bye, Johnny. Goodbye, Johnny B. Good. Well, she remembered taking money from gathering crop and buying Johnny's guitar at a local shop. Long as he would play it by the railroad side and wouldn't get in trouble, she'd be satisfied. But she never thought there'd ever come a day like this when she would have to give her son a goodbye kiss. Bye, 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 bye. Bye, 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 bye. Bye-bye, Johnny. Goodbye, Johnny B. Good. Well, she finally got the letter she'd been dreaming of. Johnny wrote and told her he had fell in love. As soon as they were married, he would bring her back and build a cabin for her by the railroad track. So every time they heard the locomotive roar, they'd be a standing and a waving at the kitchen door. Bye, 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 bye. Bye-bye, Johnny. Goodbye, Johnny B. Good. Well, she finally got the letter she'd been dreaming of. Johnny wrote and told her he had fell in love. Soon as they were married, he would bring her back and build a cabin for her by the railroad track. So every time they heard the locomotive roar, they'd be a standing, waving at the kitchen door. Bye, 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 bye. Goodbye, Johnny B. Good.
We got in and
Oh,
we got
yeah.
out.
You guys been practicing?
We're coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota, and here we are. Another night, another Sunday, Carmine's Country Corner, having fun, picking in and grinning. Cody, I'm so happy to see
yeah.
you. I can't stand it. When are you going to bring up another amp for me? I haven't made a tuck and roll cover for you in at least almost a year now, and I'm getting tired of this.
We'll get to that as soon as we cover those 3 vintage cars
Okay.
that I've been keeping track of. Then we'll get back
I
to
mean,
guitar.
what kind of a friend are you?
Since you brought it up.
Well, as long as you don't find another upholsterer, you won't break my heart.
That Bob Smith should do that. For a little extra charge, a custom tuck and roll cover on your new Kia.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Drumming
All right,
up
Cody.
business. That's what it's about. It's
Just
America.
throwing some ideas out there.
Not bad. What do you got?
Hey, good looking. Hey, good looking. What you got cooking? Oh, yeah. What
key you
you
in?
got cooking?
A.
All swinging. But let's do it eighths.
Sounds like C.
Say, hey, good looking. Why she got a cooking? As a bad cooking something up with me. Say, hey, sweet baby, honey, don't you think maybe we can find us a brand new recipe? I'm gonna throw my day book over the fence. Buy me one bowl of 10 cents. I'll keep it till it's covered with age, 'cause I'm writing your name down in every place. Hey, good looking. Why she got cooking? Hey, how's about cooking something up with me? Well, I'm free and ready, so we can go steady. How's about saving all your love for me? No more looking, I know I've been tooking. So how's about keeping a steady company? I'm gonna throw my day book over them. Find me one for 5 or 10 cents. I'll keep it till it's covered with it. Write your name down in every day. Hey, good looking. What you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me? I got a hot rod for and a $2 bill. I know it's going right over the hill. There's soda pop and a dancing free. So if you wanna have fun, come along with me now. Hey,
about that?
A whole new dimension to hey, good looking.
How about that?
I love that change, like going to the AM.
Aren't you glad you tuned in now?
I'm
Why
glad
not?
Cody
I
showed up,
am.
folks. Hey, you know, last week we ended up with a whole bunch of people showing up.
Yeah.
It was amazing. I'm not talking about on the bandstands. How about the audience? We broadened the audience. And then Facebook itself sent me a little note thing saying, you've improved your reach to the audience by 100%, they said. Which means that's got to be better than saying you went down.
Yeah.
You know, so, and YouTube's coming along good. YouTube was starting to get a lot more hits than we were getting before. So, well, you know, we just do this for the fun of it. And, you know, it's nice to have people watch. Cody.
It's not just for the money.
No.
That's a very cynical view of what we're doing.
Yeah. It's certainly not for the
Or
money.
the glory, the glamour. No.
We don't even play music for the money, do we? Have we ever?
There were a couple times.
Couple of
I
times
remember,
where you
yeah.
hit a little lick there. Yeah.
It's hard to remember now, but
You got another one, Cody?
yeah, key of D minor.
I can't play in D minor.
An old cowpoke went riding out one dark and windy day. An old cowpoke went riding out one dark sunny day. When all at once a mighty herd of red-eyed cows they saw plowing through the ragged skies and a cloudy draw. Their brands are still on fire and their hooves are made of steel. Their horns are black and shiny and their hot breath you can feel. Hey, both fear went through them as they thundered through the sky. For he saw the rider coming hard, heard the mongrel cry. Yippee-yi-yay, yippee-yi-oh. Ghost riders in the sky. Their faces gaunt, their eyes are blurred, their shirts all soaked in sweat. They're trying hard to catch her, but they ain't got 'em yet. They're bound to ride forever on the range up in the sky on horses stored in fire. They're right on here, they cry. Yippee-yi-yay, yippee-yi-oh. Ghost riders in the sky.
That's all I got.
He's taking 20 at its part. As the rider loped on by him, you heard one call his name. If you want to save your soul from hell riding on the rain, cowboy, change your ways to deal with it, you will ride. Trying to get the devil, sir. frosties in the sky. Yippee-yi-yay, yippee-yi-oh. Ghost riders in the sky. Hey, yippee-yi-yay, yippee-yi-oh. Ghost riders in the sky. Ghost riders in the sky.
Great job, Cody.
Still got barn dust from that big old square dance
Yeah,
the
man.
other night.
That was
Oh,
a dusty
man.
gig. We drove all the way up to Lompoc,
Oh,
We know how to party, Paul and I, when we.
playing a big old barn.
is that where you heard the bass and something or other?
That's
As you
where
were
I-
leaving, you said you heard
Yeah,
something
yeah,
you
yeah.
liked?
I had to go, and Cody kept playing.
Oh, gee.
And
And,
he played a beautiful new bass, which I thought he was going to bring tonight. And is it in the car?
No, I got in that hurry. I always get new, but this was like a real barn, like with real dust on the floor.
Oh yeah.
So, it was a ball.
Good. You had a good time?
Had a great time in there playing bass. Paul worked over my new bass.
Yeah.
I have
Had
a
it
friend,
planned so good.
a girl named Ginger. I don't know her last name, but Susie and I met her in 1971, 72 at the Jack of Diamonds in Palmdale, and she was from Lompoc, whatever they
Oh, yeah,
call it,
Lompoc,
Lompoc. And she ended up moving back there, and I think she got married. And the last time we talked to her might have been 5-10 years ago. That's where she lives.
Yeah.
And every once in a while, we go north, we go through there, we say hello to Ginger. She was a nice lady.
It's a beautiful part of California.
Oh, it's beautiful up there. Absolutely. That's where she was born and raised. All right, Paul. So anyway, we're coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota. We're so happy to be here doing the show. And there was something else I was going to mention, and it's gone, and it may not even show up before the show's done. On the way home, I'll think, oh, that's it. That's all I wanted to say. But anyway, we're here. We're having fun. And Paul, hit us one time.
Key of let's try this in the key of G. See if I can bust a gut or something here. Love is where you find it when you find no love at home. And there's nothing cold as ashes after the fire's gone. The bottle is almost empty. The clock just now struck 10. Darling, I had to call you from our favorite place again. I know it's wrong for us to meet, but the fire's gone out at home. And there's nothing cold as ashes after the fire is gone. Love is where you find it when you find no love at home. And there's nothing cold as ashes after the fire is gone. Your lips so warm and tender, and your arms hold me just right. Sweet words of love you remember that the one at home forgot. Each time we say it's the last time, but we keep on keeping on. and there's nothing cold as ashes after the fire is gone. Love is where you find it when you find no love at home, and there's nothing cold as ashes after the fire is gone. Carmine. Yeah, love is where you find it when you find no love at home, and there's nothing cold as ashes after the fire is gone. No, there's nothing cold as ashes after the fire is gone.
Blue, broken-hearted me, holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, blue and broken-hearted me. I can't explain the way I feel. Every tear I cry is real. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to do, it's blue, blue, blue. Every tear I cry is real. Since you've been gone, I love Cody. No matter what I try to be, it's blue and broken-hearted me. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, it's blue and broken-hearted me.
Yeah. You're getting wound up in that thing by the end of that.
Well, I'm trying to get something going. Obviously, that was a too big to do. There's some which is fine, but I should count. And, you know, more of a too big feel, but that sounded great.
Are there any soft drinks over there? I'll take anything, like 2 of them. I'll buy 2.
You'll buy. Hey, you know, I never thought of that angle, Paul. Maybe we could make some money in selling drinks to the band members. You know,
Every other place does it.
that's right.
You gotta make it where you can.
I'm gonna get a drink. Paul, say something. I'm gonna get a drink myself here. My throat's killing me.
Don't pay any attention to Carmen as he goes to get a drink. In fact, everybody's having a drink, so hey, cheers to y'all. Cheers to you. And happy Sunday.
So, a lot of us up here know a gentleman named Gib Gilbo, who passed away about 6-7 years ago. But amongst musicians and a lot of people too, because he traveled with a lot of big people, and he had quite a base. A lot of people knew Gib Gilbo. He's with the Burrito Brothers and Linda Ronstadt and Howard Guthrie and so many other people. Anyway, his lovely wife, Ann, who was my wife's sister, Susie's sister, Ann, came down and spent about 3 days with us. And we had more fun just talking about the old days and all the old stuff. And she's doing great. She's got a great family. All her kids are close. They take good care of their mother, too, I'll tell you. I see where those kids wait on her. But, yeah, Ann's a good girl. I've known her a long time, and
that song you just sang was
that song I just sang, which I do what I can. But Gibb sang that song back in I think it was 83 on Hee Haw with John Beeland when they were the Burrito Brothers, and God, he nailed it, and it just inspired me to want to sing that song. And Gibb, I'm sorry that I don't do it quite the way you do it, but Gibb did a good job in that song. He did a good job in every song. He was a good singer.
What if I do another song of his?
Oh, let's do it.
Okay.
Oh, this is the big one then.
Big Bayou. Let's do
Oh,
Big
Rod
Bayou.
Stewart cut this song.
Yes, he did.
Oh, man. This is a Gib Gilbo song. And this goes out to you. What key in?
I think I'll see if I can tighten up my underwear and do it in the key of G. Straight A's. Big Bayou.
Straight ahead.
2, 1, 2, 3. I took a long trip to the city. I was determined to get somewhere, and I spent all my hard-earned money that I saved to get me there. Big Bayou, where do you go? To the river running slow, down on the Gulf of Mexico. Big Bayou, carry me home. All right. Guitar picking job in Memphis. The people there treated me good, but my luck ran bad in Nashville. Had to walk the streets of Hollywood. Big Bayou, where do you go? To the river running slow, down on the Gulf of going nowhere. Big bayou, where do you go? To the river running slow, down on the Gulf of Mexico. Big bayou, carry me home. Yeah, big bayou, where do you go? To the river running slow, down on the Gulf of Mexico. Big bayou, carry me home, carry me home.
I'm checking mine too after that song. Make sure nobody got hurt. Gib Gilbo, man, what a great guy.
Great song.
Yeah, he wrote a lot of good songs for everybody. A lot of people cut his music. And so, yes. So here we are at Carmine's Country Corner. We do this every week for about an hour. We have a lot of fun doing it. Been doing it over 3.5 years. And we just, I don't know, every week I get Dan Hugot back working with my daughter Kim in the controls. And then next week I think Tom is supposed to be here. Dan and Tom kind of alternate. Dan's been going off like a rocket with the show. He's been setting up mics and he's experimenting and he's really trying to help it move forward, and he's doing a great job.
He's quite the scientist.
Well, I'll tell you one thing. He's out of my league. I don't know what he's doing half the time. But he keeps buying things and plugging things in, and I love it. I like anybody that's trying to help, good help. So, Cody, do a good country song.
I'm still coughing a bit here. Why don't you do that Clayton Delaney?
Oh, I do that song so many times that, yeah, they threw me out of Knott's Berry Farm because of that song. No, they didn't.
Sinatra, do you do any My Way?
You could do My Way, only I do it.
Strangers in the Night.
Here's the only problem you got with that song is when I do My Way, my way. So, you know, it might be a little different.
I'd like to hear that.
Go ahead and do something. I don't care what you do.
Go ahead, Paul. I'm still,
All right.
I'm still inhaling corn dust on some level here.
Okay, that should be okay. Key of G.
Good key.
Just vamp on a straight eights kind of ballady mid-tempo thing. 2, 1, 2, 3. There's a long line of mourners coming down our street. Their fancy cars are such a sight to see. They're all of your rich friends who knew you in the city, and now they've finally brought you back to me. The paper told of how you lost your life, of the party and the fatal crash that night, of the race on the highway and the curve nobody's seen. Now you're riding in a long black limousine.
Go, Cody.
you left home, you told me someday you'd be returning in a fancy car for the whole town to see. Well, everybody's staring. I guess you finally got your dream. You're riding in a long black limousine. With tear-filled eyes I watch as you drive by, with a chauffeur at the wheel dressed up so fine. I'll never love another, my heart and all my dreams ride with you in that long black limousine. I'll never love another, my heart and all my dreams ride with you in that long black limousine. And that's that.
Long Black Limousine. Who did that song originally? Do you know?
Merle did one of the first versions of it. Merle Haggard did.
But is it an older song than that, or did he write it?
He did not write it.
Yeah, okay.
I used to play out at a place in Pomona called Joe's Rendezvous.
Oh,
And
good for Joe.
and everybody out there, all the people would say that song, Long Black Limousine, the guy used to come in here who wrote that song, and he died, and this was back in the
Yeah.
mid 70s, late 70s. They said he just died, and would you do that song? And so we sang that song. So I guess it was a guy from the Inland Empire who.
Well,
who
good
wrote
for
it.
him.
So how about that?
It's a great song. Cody, you ready yet?
I'll warble through and I'll do my best.
Okay. Your best is pretty good, I got to tell you.
Oh, I don't know. We'll see. I'm feeling the key of E. I'm feeling Don't Be Angry.
Oh yeah.
Good song.
Don't be angry with me, darling, if I fail to understand all your little whims and wishes all the time. Just remember that I'm dumb, I guess, like any foolish man, and my head stays sort of foggy 'cause you're mine. Do you recall the first time that I flirted with you, dear? When I jokingly said, come and be my bride. Now the time has turned the pages. It's the sweetest joke on earth, just to have you, dear, forever by my side. So don't be angry with me, darling, if I fail to understand all your little whims and wishes all the time. Just remember that I'm dumb, I guess, like any foolish man, and my head stays sort of foggy 'cause you're mine. You know, Carmine's head never stays foggy. You're gonna hurt me. I've been hurt in love before. Only God can know. Time alone can tell. In the meantime, I'll keep loving you with all my heart and soul, and pray God to let it last if it's His will. So don't be angry with me, darling, if I fail to understand all your little whims and wishes all the time. Just remember that I'm dumb, I guess, like any foolish man, and my head stays sort of foggy because you're mine. And my head stays sort of foggy because you're mine. Just like that.
I remember the year Clayton Delaney died. And they said for the last 2 weeks he suffered and he cried. And it made a big impression on me, although I was a barefoot kid. And they said he got religion at the end, and I'm glad that he did. Clayton was the best guitar picker in our town. And I thought he was a hero, used to follow Clayton around. And I often wondered why Clayton, who seemed so good to me, and he never took that guitar made down in Tennessee. Show me, Clayton. And I guess if I'd admit it, Clayton taught me how to drink booze. I could see him half stoned just picking up the lovesick blues. And when Clayton died, I made him a promise. I said I'm going to carry on somehow, and I'd give $100 if he could only see me now. Daddy said he drank a lot and I could never understand. I knew we used to pick up in Ohio with a 5-piece band. When Clayton died, I made him a promise. I said I'm gonna carry on somehow. I'd give $100 if he could only see me now. I remember the year Clayton Delaney died. Nobody ever knew it, but I went up in the woods and I cried. And I know there's a lot of big preachers, and they know a lot more than I do. Could be that the good Lord likes a little picking too. remember the year Clayton Delaney died. I might have got a little loud on that when I saw Paul. He kind of jumped the fence. When I see Paul jump the fence, I know I'm too loud. Paul, do another one. I'm going to turn down for you this time.
A couple of those notes. Just,
Yeah, I know.
Come
When
out
I
there.
hit the harmonics.
Everybody's a critic.
Everybody's. Yeah. What do you got, Paul?
Let's do this one.
What do we got? 10 minutes? We got about 10 minutes.
Straight eight.
Don't give me that 5-minute thing. You always cut me short. Over here it says 7:50. What is that? 3? Oh, it's 7. Oh no, he's right. He's right. We got time for one more. We might do 2.
Maybe 2.
Yeah, we'll do 2 more. We're here anyway. Go ahead, hit it.
3, 4, 1. I wonder if I should be doing this in G. I think I would want to go to G. 10 years ago, on a cold, dark night, someone was killed beneath the town hall light. Few at the scene, but they all agree that the slayer who ran looked a lot like me. The judge said, son, what is your alibi? If you were somewhere else, you don't have to die. I spoke not a word, though it meant my life. I had been in the arms of my best friend's wife. She walks these hills in a long black veil. Visits my grave when the night winds wail. Nobody knows, nobody sees, nobody knows but me. The scaffold is high, eternity's near. She stands in the crowd, she sheds not a tear. But sometimes at night, when the cold wind moans in a long black veil, she cries over my bones. And she walks these hills in a long black veil. She visits my grave when the night one but me.
Long Blackville. Cody, could I impose on you and ask you to close the show? How's your throat doing? Can you
Let's
shut
do
us down
another
there?
hour.
Let's, after we turn the
Now
PA
that we're
off,
warmed up.
then we will. What do you got? Good night, folks. We'll see you next week. 6 o'clock. Don't be late. Thanks for watching. Hey.
Well, it's knowing that your door's always open and your path is free to walk. That makes me tend to leave my sleeping bag rolled up and stashed behind your couch. And it's a knowing I'm not shackled by if I got in words and bonds and the ink stains that have dried upon the line. That keeps you on the back road by the rivers of my memory, keeps you ever gentle on my mind. It's not clinging to the rocks and I'm a planet on their column now that binds me. Oh, something that somebody said because they thought we fit together walking. Keep playing. And it's knowing that the world will not be cursing nor forgiving as I walk along some railroad track and find that you're moving on the back road by the rivers of my memory, and for hours you're just chilling on my mind. Well, I dipped my cup of soup back from a girl in crackling, called it in some drain yard or auto dealership, beard a rough in a coal pile, and the dirt I had pulled low across my face. Well, with cupped hands round the tin can, I pretend to hold you to my breast and find that you're moving on the back road by the rivers of my memory, and for hours you're just in on my mind. Carmine Sardo now. And the clotheslines and the junkyards and the highways come between us. Some other woman crying to her mother, 'cause she turned and I was gone. I still might run in silence, tears of joy might stain my face, and the summer sun might burn me till I'm blind. Oh, but not to where I cannot see you walking on the back road by the river flowing gentle on my mind. It's gentle on my mind. Remember, buy a Toyota. Buy it right here.